Hi, welcome to the Business News Update on the News Chronicle. My name is Ken Ibene. Here are the top stories for today. We have Dangote Sugar Refinery has invested over $700 million to expand Nigeria's local sugar production and also reduce dependence on imports. Secondly, Nigeria's crude oil production rose slightly to 1.4 million barrels per day in October, according to OPEC's latest report. Also, we have Nigeria's Eurobond market suffered sell-off after US President Donald Trump threatened military action over alleged attacks on Christians in Nigeria. Also, have Nigeria's top 5 banks earned a combined 4.8 trillion naira in interest from government bonds and treasury bills within 9 months. And lastly, we have gold rebounded sharply this week, climbing about $4,100 mark as investors sought safety amid growing global trade and economic uncertainty. So that's it for the business news update on the News Chronicle. For more updates, visit www.thenews-chronicle.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.